2 of Hot Wheels, Mario Kart, Bowser Castle Chaos playset. If I really like this monster trucks, if I really like this Bowser Castle playset, it's probably the coolest thing ever. We never talk about how cars do. They drive fast and drive slow. Now, this probably wouldn't be able to talk to you guys if this playset already comes with one car, tracks, arms, and stickers, and instructions. But that's one of those funniest places to play with. Now, do you know what else do you want in my future? A Hot Wheels car. That's what we know if Hot Wheels makes the most cars in the world. Thanks for watching box of the Hot Wheels Mario Kart Bowser Castle Chaos playset. Bye.